I think regionally we work as a partnership as well. So we link with Carmarthenshire, Pembrokeshire, Ceredigion and parts of Powys. So it's a large region, and we put all of our provision on a spreadsheet, so the information's available, which can then be passed on to people who may want to study Welsh or through the medium of Welsh. So where we may not be offering something, people could go to Llanelli or Carmarthen to study if they want to. So our contribution is to share the resources, to share the information.